Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to add money to your bank account, but you didn't know how to do it? Maybe you're new to banking, or maybe you're just not very tech savvy. Either way, it can be frustrating to not be able to access your money when you need it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add money to your Novo account. I'll cover all of the different methods that you can use, and I'll also provide some tips for troubleshooting any problems that you might encounter. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to talk about the importance of having a checking account. A checking account is a great way to keep track of your money and make sure that you have access to it when you need it. If you don't already have a checking account, I highly recommend that you open one as soon as possible. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's get started with adding money to your Novo account. Method 1. Link your bank account. This is the easiest and most convenient way to add money to your Novo account. All you need to do is link your existing bank account to your Novo account. Once you've done that, you can transfer money between the two accounts at any time. To link your bank account to your Novo account, simply follow these steps. Log into your Novo account. Click on the Settings tab. Select Linked Accounts. Click on the Add Bank Account button. Enter your bank account information. Click on the Submit button. Once your bank account is linked, you can transfer money to your Novo account by clicking on the Transfer tab and selecting from Bank. Method 2. Use a debit card. You can also add money to your Novo account by using a debit card. This is a good option if you don't have a bank account that you can link to your Novo account. To add money to your Novo account using a debit card, simply follow these steps. Log into your Novo account. Click on the Deposit tab. Select Debit Card. Enter your debit card information. Click on the Submit button. The money will be transferred to your Novo account within a few minutes. Method 3. Use a wire transfer. If you need to transfer a large amount of money to your Novo account, you can use a wire transfer. This is a more secure method than using a debit card or linking your bank account. To add money to your Novo account using a wire transfer, simply follow these steps. Log into your Novo account. Click on the Deposit tab. Select Wire Transfer. Enter the required information. Click on the Submit button. The money will be transferred to your Novo account within a few days. Troubleshooting. If you're having trouble adding money to your Novo account, here are a few tips. Make sure that you're using the correct account information. Make sure that you're entering the correct amount of money. Make sure that you're using a valid payment method. If you're still having trouble, contact Novo customer support. Adding money to your Novo account is easy and convenient. There are a number of different methods that you can use, so you can choose the one that is best for you. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, happy banking.